Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a ceramic artist and plant enthusiast. So for today, I will show you how I recycled this tin can to become a planter. So here I put a bunch of holes on the bottom of the can, and I've also primed it using Rust-Oleum spray paint. It's a primer, and to avoid rust as well. So for the design, I decided to do a Alice in Wonderland theme pot. And this was just spontaneously painted. So there is really no sketch beforehand. Just having fun with this piece. I did have some inspiration for the cat, for the Cheshire Cat. It's a medieval inspired illustration that I found on the internet. And I've used acrylic paint for this. And really you can have fun with the design for your pot. So for this particular pot, it will be for my succulent, and the succulent that I will be planting here is called Mendoza. It's a succulent that I've propagated myself using leaves. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any questions with regards to the baking process, just leave them on the comment section below. Also guys, I've sealed this using polyurethane varnish. Anyway, thank you again. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!